Hi, Kumars! Gawa tayo ng baked stuffed peppers. Ayan. Iniwa ko sa gitna. Okay, I have ground beef. Okay, you have cup of rice, half cup. Okay, pepper, salt. Paprika, thyme, dried parsley, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Then we mix it. Lagyan natin ng onion papala and garlic. Okay, mix it. Okay, let's put our tomato sauce. Let's put one by one again. As for the juveniles, well, they would eventually learn the hard way. Natural selection will eventually. As for other prey insects, they found some. Let's put some inside. There's some sauce. Okay, then let's add our fill. Then we put a little bit sauce up too. And then let's bake it for 45 minutes. Kaya na guys. So, lagyan naman natin ng cheese. Ayan. Cheese on top. And then parsley. Then let's bake it again until the cheese melts. Okay. Here our baked stuffed bell pepper. Oh. God. Okay, thank you.